Hey guys, my name is Christelle
and Charlotte
from CC Slime Factory. Today we are going to be making this shiny slime.
Clear slime, but just put your glitter in. It's really nice. It's so clear and it's so shiny. So let's get started with the videos. The first ingredient you need is some glue. You can use, I recommend you to use liquid glue or just clear glue so you can make the slime really clear and really glittery. If you want to make a small batch of slime, put a little in. If you want to make a big batch of slime, put a lot of glue in. The second ingredient you need is your glitter and your food coloring. So we can add our food coloring first. Add about just 1 drop first and then mix it. If you don't want your hands to get stained, I recommend you to use gloves like this. And we want it to be pink, so we use this pinky color. So now we're going to use these two. She's gonna pour that one, we're gonna pour this one. Just pour a little bit of glitter in at a time. Do not pour the whole thing. We want more glitter in it, so just put more glitter in it until you want until you see the right glitter amount you want it to be. Okay, so now we got the right color we want. The activator we're going to use today is going to be borax. Normally you can't really find it, but it's really rare to find it. So luckily we got it. So just put some activator in your thing and just stir it. We're going to stir it with this. Oh no. So we're just going to stir it. Just accident. Just stir it like this, okay. So see, this is ready. Just put a little at a time, not too much, that's enough. Like just use very little. And then when you see your slime hardening up and starting to be harder to mix, don't think that's a wrong thing to do and you got it wrong. Do not start over again. This is the right thing to do. So see, it's starting to clump up together. And then just put more activator in it. So we're gonna put activator in it. Again, put a little at a time, not too much. See, that's our slime. Just a quick reminder again, these two are not similar because it usually takes 3 days or 1 week. Very quickly. And if you're still not sure, please check out Champimom Blushing May Bazaar at Maria Square at 16 to 18 May.